In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make text go around an image in Canva. If you've ever tried to build a magazine style layout, a product sheet, or a clean editorial design in Canva, you probably know that getting text to flow neatly around an image can feel a little tricky at first. The good news is that you do not need advanced design software to create this effect. With the right setup, Canva makes it surprisingly simple to fake a professional text wrap using text boxes and alignment tools. To begin, open Canva and head to the project you want to edit. From your home page, find the design you've been working on and open the page where you want the wrapped text effect to appear. Once the canvas is visible, make sure you're focused on the correct page and that your workspace is ready so you can move elements around easily without disturbing the rest of your layout. Next, position your image first. Click on the photo, graphic, or cutout you want to place text around, then drag it into its final location on the page. After that, use the corner handles to resize it until it looks balanced in your design. Canva's guidelines will help you snap it into position, which is useful for keeping the layout centered and visually clean. It's always best to lock in the image placement before working with text because moving it later can throw off the spacing. Now it's time to create the text wrap effect. Go to the text panel on the left side and add a body text box to your page. Instead of using one large paragraph box, click and drag the side handles inward to make the text box narrower. This is the key idea. By shaping the text box to fit beside the image, you can create the illusion that the text is wrapping around it. Once your first text box is in place, duplicate it and move the copy either below or to the opposite side of the image, depending on the layout you want. This works especially well when your image has a circular or curved shape, because multiple smaller text boxes let you follow that outline more naturally. If needed, use the alignment controls in the top toolbar and adjust the text so the edges look neat and consistent. Justified text can sometimes help create a cleaner block of copy. Before exporting, take a moment to review the spacing. Make sure the gap between the text and image feels even and readable, and check that nothing looks crowded. When everything looks good, click Share, then Download, and choose PDF Print for the sharpest text quality, or PNG if you're creating something for digital use. That's it. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.